Welcome to my Sunday from. Today I have another haul, and I don't remember what's in this one, but I mean, to be honest, I just was getting a bunch of stuff that I forgot to get over the weekend, and um so I mean, I put a lot of thought into what I buy because I obviously don't really like shopping. Just But I ran out of hand soap for my kitchen, and I was like, you know what? I love rose scent in my kitchen. Like, I love spending time in my kitchen. That's just so me. And the smell of rose is like, I never smelled this one before, but I love the smell of rose. Oh my gosh, it smells like my grandma's flowers. It smells so good. Okay, so this was actually this was on sale, I believe, for like four something. So it was under $5, and for this big old jar, it's gonna last me like a month. And I had to get another one for my restroom because the other one is called Daisy, and it smells like flowers. And it's like not a strong scent. Like this one's very strong, but the other one's not very strong. And I kind of like that for me. So the other one is like two something. It's like two something on sale right now. So I went ahead and scooped that one up. And I'll probably get it like soon. But this is like my big haul. So like if I get that one and open it on camera, like I'll definitely probably end up putting it in shorts. Ew, look at this. Okay, so I got supplements, which are saffron, and those are supposed to help with appetite. So, um, as you know, like I eat on camera all the time, but like people are always like other creators, like on TikTok, they're always nagging me, like, why do you chew like a cow on camera? You don't need to be eating. Like, gee whiz, like if you knew how bad my appetite was, like I'm down bad for food. I wish I could see it. I just want to see it. I'm so curious. But these are saffron, like I said, and these were on sale from like 10 all the way down to like almost $5. And I was like not gonna pass up this deal because it was a half off coupon. And obviously this is something that I always wanted. But like it says right here, it contains saffron, turmeric, and black pepper, which I'm already taking black pepper, and it also has omega 3s in it. And so it says you take one capsule, I guess one capsule a day. Let's see. One capsule with food, a few hours. Oh, okay. So you take one capsule per meal. So then that would total 3 a day. And then this one's 2 soft gels. And this is CLA. And this one's supposed to support your muscles and lean you out. So you have a nice firm tone body. And this one helps me a lot with um kind of repairing my tissue, like after I get like go to like a visit or whatever. I think this one is the one that repairs your tissue for after like aesthetic treatments. And then also it slims my waistline. So this one's very important to me, and I think this one you take 2 a day with food. And like I'm on other supplements, but like I think those are all like for my skin and hair and stuff like that. And they're already like they're already almost done. So I bought some other ones to replace them. And I'm thinking about buying another one for just like a general hair, skin, and nails. That way it's just one and done. But this is creatine gummies, and this one is this one, ooh, I get to eat 5 of them. Not more than 8 in a 24-hour period. So, this one's 5 a day. So you can take some before you work out or however you take yours. Creatine. If I can find a way to open it, I would like to try them on cam. And the flavors is lemon. So it should taste really like a gumdrop. So this is what they look like. They're really cute. Oh, it tastes so good. It's like taffy. Oh, and let me see. I think these were like $8, and these were like 7 or something like that. I bought this is a it's supposed to be like antenna for a car. I don't know why I bought it. I thought it would help me with my I thought it was like a antenna. I didn't know it was like this big. I don't know what is this for, like a 18-wheeler or something. I don't know. I don't know. Do you really? Oh, I guess it's just like if your antenna is down and you need a replacer. I guess that's what this is. But I definitely can't use this, so this is going to, I don't know, to be given to someone who needs it. This is Arm & Hammer OxyClean odor blasters, and I got this one for like, how much did I pay for it? I don't remember, but it was like under 10, and I got it with a coupon, of course. So I think I only paid like around $5 for this because of the coupon. Because I don't know, I just didn't want to pay a lot for laundry soap. So the last one I have is like kind of big, but oh my goodness. So I bought this lemon juice because it was like $2 and I need it for my recipes. So if you guys are watching my recipes and you follow along, grab you some lemon juice or lemon flavor powder or something. And I think this is a really good deal. This is how many ounces? 32 ounces. Let me do this. That's better. Then I bought coconut milk. I bought my cookies. These are oatmeal cookies, plain oatmeal cookies. This was actually on sale for $2, and these were $1 something. Then obviously I have my saltine crackers. These are 4 sleeves of saltine crackers for like $1. Then I bought this little jar of salsa, which was also on sale. Like you can get a coupon for it, and it'll stay under $3 for it, which for me is a steal because it's like a huge jar, and you know how much I like my salsa. So this is Mild by Pace. I got my mixed vegetables. These are $1 something. And then I bought chopped garlic. This was like $1 something. So I believe this was on sale. I had a coupon for it. Um, so I got it because it's minced garlic, and I know it's dehydrated garlic, but once it starts boiling up, like it's like chopped garlic, like perfect for me. I have one onion too, but I think the garlic is like, for me, it's missed because I have ethnic foods. Like I always make ethnic food because I'm indigenous and I only like ethnic food. So I use a lot of seasonings and spices and stuff. And like I can't skip out on things. It just doesn't taste right to me. So this is queso blanco in medium heat. And this is by Pace. So it's cheese dip. So I buy cheese dip because I'm not really into cheese, but like when I buy cheese, I like it to last. So I can eat it with whatever I'm cooking that goes with cheese. And like I don't know, sometimes I really like cheese, but most of the time I don't. So I like to keep like a container of some type of cheese, whether it's like Velveeta, that because it lasts a long time, you know. Whatever lasts a long time. If it's a jar, it lasts a long time. If it's a squeeze bottle, it'll last a long time. So I kind of prefer to buy things like that. And this was also under $3 with a coupon. So I hope you like my haul. Um, If you do like it, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. My son different. Bye bye.